Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. BJP likely to shortlist 25 probable candidates this week. First list of Congress candidates by 15 January. Congress, NCP, MGP to hold crucial meetings on Tuesday. Code of conduct enforced. Government recruitment on. BJP petitions Chief Electoral Officer. Alleges violation of election code by heavyweight ministers. Bangalore-Goa passenger bus overturns at Padi, Kepe, 18 injured, 7 serious, 1 critical. Injured admitted to Hospicio and GMC, all from Bangalore. Controversial Sunburn Festival finally gets a go-ahead from the government. Organizers to put in place security and safety measures. Expect a crowd of 60,000. Election Commission to come out hard on paid news. Special committee to keep a check. Special drive from 2nd Jan to enroll young voters. And GE back to work. Nehru Stadium floodlights get a move on. Sports fraternity expresses doubt on how illumination giants like GE can make a blunder. Now the news in detail. BJP is likely to finalize its first list of 25 probable candidates in this week, but Congress feels there is ample time left to declare the candidates and their first list would be out by 15th of January. A crucial meeting between Congress and NCP leaders is scheduled in New Delhi on Tuesday to discuss the coalition. MGP's Central Committee too will meet on Tuesday to decide on the coalition proposals. Here is a report.
Political parties have welcomed assembly poll on 3rd of March. BJP will hold meeting in next couple of days to shortlist its probable candidates.
List Central Committee declare करता पण आमचे selection बहुतेक करून फाल्या परवा केन्ना तरी जातले पण ते I think that right belongs to the chairman of the committee and not me. So let the chairman give you the date. But I can tell you this much, that there might be meeting in next couple of days.
BJP and Congress both are trying for alliance during upcoming polls. MGP would decide its poll strategy and whether to go for alliance with Congress or BJP by Tuesday. On the other hand, an important meeting to decide on coalition between Congress and NCP is scheduled in Delhi on Tuesday, but final decision on seat sharing is expected in another week's time. Here in Goa, Congress has started accepting application form from probable candidates. However, most of the ministers and MLAs are yet to file their applications. Last day of filing applications for Congress candidature is Tuesday. GPCC President Subhash Shirorkar has also filed his application to contest the poll. Shirorkar says he is ready to continue as GPCC President even though he has applied for ticket. Party's first list of candidates is expected by mid of January after Central Election Committee's meeting.
First list
only after the Central Election Committee. Central Election Committee may be somewhere by 15th of January, because you see we have got a very comfortable time.
Meanwhile, Babush Munsarat has made it clear that he and his wife will contest the upcoming polls and one of them will contest from Santa Cruz. Former Minister Nirmala Sawant has decided to contest the polls, but she is yet to decide her symbol. A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaukar.
Complaints of election code violation have already started pouring in. The BJP has alleged violation of election code by most of the heavyweight ministers from the Congress party. Leaders of the opposition, Manohar Parrikar, petitioned Chief Electoral Officer on Monday. BJP says Offer letters are being given to prospective candidates in spite of election code. On Monday, Electricity Department conducted interviews and physical tests for the line helpers. Watch this report.
On Monday, many BJP youth members raised objections to the interviews that were conducted for the post of line helper by Electricity Department. Tests were being conducted for the candidates. They were asked to climb on the electric poles. These interviews and tests were undertaken in spite of Election Code of Conduct in force. Interview letters were posted to these candidates on 21st of December and they were called for interview on 26th of December. Electricity officials denied to speak to media on the issue. BJP says it's a fraud by the ruling side.
कलेक्टर आम्ही सांगले की अशें चालू आसा बाकी गव्हर्मेंट डिपार्टमेंट जो हें आसा इंटरव्यूज जो आसा त्यो कॅन्सल केल्ल्यो आसा फक्त इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटान चालू आसा सो तांणी म्हणलें की आपूण इलेक्शन कमिशना कडेन उलयता आनी त्यो कॅन्सल करपाक लायता म्हणून.
Meanwhile, a delegation led by opposition leader Manohar Parrikar has filed a complaint before Chief Electoral Officer alleging violations of election code by congressmen. BJP has alleged that Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, Cabinet Minister Babu Asgaonkar, Joki Alemao, Vishwajit Rane, Churchill Alemao, Alex Sequeira and Philip Neri Rodrigues have issued offer letters to candidates in spite of election code.
हे सगळे बेकायदेशीर जितल्यो नोकऱ्यो तांच्यांनी दिल्या आता ह्यो सगळ्यो नोकऱ्यो फुडल्या गव्हर्मेंटाक स्क्रुटिनायज करच्योच पडटल्यो कारण ताजेर नाल्यार भरपूर लिटिगेशनां जातली त्यामुळे आमी डिमांड केला ह्या सगळ्या इलिगॅलिटीक हॉल्ट करा इमिजिएटली.
However, the state election officers are not clear about legality of those interviews which have been already fixed in various government departments before the enforcement of Code of Conduct. They will consult Chief Election Commissioner on the issue for guidelines. But election officer says government cannot appoint the candidates who have answered the interviews.
I am not denying that recruitment is not going on. Few departments are conducting interviews. What is to be done on that? Few departments have already notified the schedule of written examination. What is to be done? There is no clear-cut guidelines of Election Commission of India. We have decided to refer it to the Commission. Hopefully, I think by within a day or two, we should be able to clarify and send it to the government for taking action.
BJP also wants former DGP Aditya Arya to be brought back to Goa as a special DGP during upcoming polls. The party in opposition also wants the union budget to be delayed on the backdrop of assembly poll to avoid probable SOPs. BJP delegation is expected to meet Chief Election Commissioner S.Y. Qureshi on the matter. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Bangalore-Goa bus overturned at Padi in Kepe on Monday morning. 18 passengers got injured. All are from Bangalore. 7 passengers are seriously injured. One is in critical state and has been admitted to Goa Medical College. 7 others have been shifted to Hospicio. 10 others escaped with minor injuries. The passengers have accused the driver of rash and negligent driving.
Seabird, a passenger luxury bus flying from Bangalore to Goa, overturned at Padi Cape early morning on Monday. Total 18 passengers got injured in this accident. One is in a critical state and is admitted to GMC. 7 are seriously injured, out of which 5 are admitted in Hospicio and 2 are admitted in private hospital. 10 passengers escaped with minor injuries. They were given first aid treatment at Bali Health Center. All the injured passengers are from Bangalore. Some of the passengers accuse the driver of rash driving.
गाड़ी में आ रहा था हम लोग बेंगलुरु से आने का टाइम अभी गाड़ी बहुत स्पीड में था बाद में पाल्टी हो गई क्या हुआ पता नहीं मुझे वो टर्निंग में देर से आके घुमा दिया उसको और आपको मेरे को फ्रैक्चर हुआ और 2-3 आदमी बहुत क्रिटिकल है और मेरे साथ और 2-3 आदमी फ्रैक्चर होके उधर बैठा है इधर बोमली है ना उधर में गिर गया टर्निंग में और क्या हुआ और सब लोग को बहुत फर पड़ा हुआ है पूरा बस टर्निंग में पड़ा है लगेज के सब पूरा उधर ही है सबका.
A reporter from Kankan, Babesh Borkar, from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt and Savio Dias.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.